Hi guys, Chef Sergius here. Cooking healthy, eating healthy, losing weight, changing the lifestyle. Bologna, a lot of people like it, but it's not healthy for us. So I come up with a recipe, kind of substitute, and I'm very excited about it. I cooked a couple times and when it's beautiful, so let's do it today. All right, we're gonna do bologna from white meat. Smell good, and we're gonna trim a little bit. All right, we remove the fat, gonna throw away. Here, bay leaves, black pepper, garlic, and we're gonna add salt. So it's going to the pot, water, and we're gonna poach or simmer, not to boil it. All right, I took the exactly 2 pounds of white meat and I took from the stock garlic. So garlic going to cut the meat. Is still warm, not hot. I cool it down a little bit. So we just chop it up. Okay, here's our processor. The meat, garlic. We're gonna put a little bit of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon for taste. Okay, and we can start doing it.
Okay, now, still warm is good.
We take the unflavored gelatin, 1 pack, which is recipe for 2 cups. And I already did it 2 cups. Instead the water is a chicken stock, which is flavorful. So we're gonna add little by little to look for consistency. We're gonna add a little salt. Okay, it's almost done, but the color is white. We're not using any chemicals. So this is the roasted beet. And we're gonna squeeze. Okay, here our juice. We don't need much. We don't want to make it the red. We're gonna make it pink. So I'm gonna add the 1 teaspoon, and let's see what's gonna happen.
Still a little pink, so we're gonna add 1 more.
All right, beautiful pink, tasty. You can do any mold, wherever you want it. But what I find in my pantry, it's a plastic disposable cups. This is how I'm gonna do my bologna. We're gonna put those ones on the top shelf in the refrigerator overnight. Moment of truth. How's our Bologna? Yeah, beautiful. Sexy, I would say. All right, you saw the Bologna. You can do it now at home. I'm so excited for you guys because it's a great substitution. You know, it's a white meat. Consistency perfect. Taste, it's very good. It's not 100% Bologna taste because we don't use pork. We use just white meat. But it is delicious. Stay sexy. Oh, sorry. Stay healthy, my friends. Bye bye.